Hello guys, Masterwave here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a resource pack for Minecraft Bedrock Edition today. So, the first thing you can start by doing is, well, this is optional, but if you open up your internet browser, and I'll have this link in the description of the video, and pretty much is you can download the vanilla textures right here. You can also do mods here too, but pretty much what that does is that gives you this folder here. What pretty much is you can go to like textures, and it just has all the Minecraft textures. You got blocks and stuff and everything here. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to make a new folder and call it your texture pack. So I'll just call this test pack 1. And then you can move it wherever you want, but I'll just keep it here for now. So you're going to open this folder. Now, when you're making a pack, it's going to need a few things. So this is your example pack. So you're going to need a manifest JSON, a pack icon, and then anything else. These folders here is like what changes in your Minecraft. So I would just select these, copy them over. You want to edit this with Notepad, and you want to give this a name. Oops, so I see the description and name. So actually, so we'll call this test. I always forget things are backward. We'll just call this so. I don't know if you actually need this twice, but I would just go ahead and write this twice. And then what you do need, I know for sure, is a UUID. So I'll have this also in the description, but I need to pull this up. This website here, you copy. No, it can't be random numbers. These are things for the computer to read. So, and then you go over here, and you have to do it for both. Each one has to be different. So, say you want to make like different packs. Each pack will have to have its own 2 UIDs. So then you can save this. I'm not gonna do that. And then this is your pack. I use Paint 3D. That's just what I use to like texture everything. That's what I'm using for the video. So this is the default thing. So I'll just do some scribbles on this with some different colors. So let's get some blue in there. So then we'll know that this is my pack. Then you want to save this. Now, so you pull this back up. So we want to make we're going to do a texture pack. So you want in here, let's just look at here, new folder. I'm going to call it textures. Now you don't want like any capitalization, just simple things. So then you open this. Now, so here, you have all these options here to do. Now, so I'll start with an item. So first you want to make another folder, call it items, because wherever you go to get your stuff, you have to copy it over. Now you could drag these folders over, but then that would copy like everything in here, which isn't always great because that takes up storage. So let's see, what do we want to like read texture? So let's do like chicken. So you can copy this here, paste it. Now edit with Paint 3D. So then here is our chicken. Now let's just say we want it to look a lot different. So you have these colors. Now here is pixel pen. I really like this. It does pixels. So thickness, make sure it's at 1. You can pick a color, and you can do like 1 pixel at a time. You can also insert like images over it. So like say, let's just search of a. Okay, so say you find a picture that you want. What you can do is you could actually just drag your picture over. Now, this is gonna look kind of weird. Now, if we actually do undo, shoot, whoops, oh, don't save. Don't make this mistake. Don't make this mistake. And you need to remember. You go to canvas. So they are 16 by 16, right? This is the canvas. So you gotta make sure that it stays within the 16 by 16. Otherwise, things can kind of get weird. So you can drag this, right? So then you go to crop. You want to lock the aspect ratio and resize the image with canvas. So then you put 16. So now this is a 16 by 14. We want this to be 16 by 16. So if it's not a perfect square, it'll be kind of weird. Now, yes, this looks very weird because it's a picture. Some things look better than others. Like if you're doing like a block or like a painting, some of these pictures look better. But this is just how you would do it. Now I am not going to use this picture, so I'm just gonna undo this all. I am gonna color it in. So if it's just make like, I don't know, hi, and then a smiley face. So this is our new chicken. You want to close this and make sure it's save. And then that is like one of our items. So then pretty much anything you want to change here will change the item look. So now we can go back up. So now let's say we want to change a block. So blocks are a little different. Sometimes they have like different things, like there's a cauldron top, cauldron side, cauldron inner, cauldron bottom. Like some blocks, you know, have different sides. So for the example of this cobblestone, I'll just do this as a simple one. So let's copy this over. Now, before we do this, right, so we have items. So now we have to make a new folder called blocks, because this is where we found our cobblestone. If you look, it's in blocks. So we open here, paste, boom, cobblestone is now here. Open up and edit it, and let's make it like more of, I don't know, let's make it greenish. So then here's the difference between like pixel pen and marker. So like even if you have a one thing, it'll kind of like fade to these different colors, kind of. So like, I don't know, this is like a slimy cobblestone looking thing now. And we can like adjust the colors and make some like darker areas. So well, now it's more of like, I don't know, mossy cobblestone, but you get the idea. So we want to save this. So this is our new cobblestone. And another thing that some people I see look up a lot for YouTube when trying to make texture packs is armor. So that is found in a models folder, armor, and then there's couple different ones. So like each one has like a 1 and a 2. So like if you do like look at gold, this is the helmet and chest plate parts, and I think those are maybe the shoes. And then the armor 2 looks like the leggings. Yeah, these are the leggings. So leather armor is very difficult to change. I haven't been able to like figure out a good program to do it. That's why they're not actually showing up for me here. But I know you can change them. But so let's make an armor thing. So let's make a new folder, models. Hey guys, Future Master Wave here. Later in the video, you'll see me getting confused why the diamond helmet was not working, and then the golden helmet from the next pack I show you does work, it's because I misspelled models. Spelling does matter. They have to be all lowercase, exactly how the vanilla resource example pack is, so don't make this mistake. So you have like the helmet, so it's like, you know, the front, side, the two sides, back, top. So you could actually extend the armor lower, so like you could make a full face mask if you wanted. There's actually, you know what, that's what I'll actually try and do. I'll make a little face mask. I don't know, some sort of face mask in the diamond helmet. I don't really know what I'm doing, but this is just saying that. And then let's make like, I don't know, some purple on our diamond helmet. So I mean, it really does not matter what we're doing. So then we can just hit save. Okay, so now we have our models, items, and blocks. And then of course anything here, so say you wanted to change like something on a map, I mean, this pack has like everything, like particles. I mean, you can change all the paintings, like this is where I use pictures for. Like here, actually I'll show you real quick. So I made a painting pack for the Bedrock SMP. Now it was just too hard to make videos for, though. That's kind of why I stopped. But I'll just show you like some of the textures we have. So like here we have like me, Landon. This is the Store Master Wave. This is Parker, me, Brennan. And these are just screenshots that I've taken and then just dragged over the Minecraft paintings. So then when you like place a painting down, instead of Minecraft paintings, they're your own custom ones. Now the bigger paintings do come out better, but you can still see very pixelated. But that's just an example. So this here, I would not recommend going outside the purple. I haven't tried it, I don't know what it does, but stay within the frame. But yeah, so we don't need to do painting, so close that. But so we have our cobblestone, chicken, and diamond armor. So we've already set this up, hopefully, so it's your pack name, custom UUIDs and stuff. You don't need to change anything else. Now what you can do is close all of this. You have your test pack, or whatever you want to call it. So you want to go to this, you want to send to compressed zip folder. Where did that go to? What? Send to compressed zip. Here we go. Wait, did I make a copy? Okay, yeah, my bad. So you want to name it whatever, so you can keep the name. It must have sent somewhere because this is saying 2. I don't know why it did that, but we'll just say test pack 1. Now this doesn't actually matter the name, it's what's in the manifest JSON that'll pop up. So instead of .zip, you want to do .mc pack. I'm only one dot, there's a space for mine, so I don't know why. You'll get this message, which is completely fine, and if it worked, well, it should turn into this like Minecraft grass block. Double click this, it should automatically pull up Minecraft. And we just wait for it to load. And should immediately say import started. Now see, it's our logo. Now, if you don't change the UUIDs, you'll get an error like duplicate pack detected and stuff, but just because it's successfully imported does not mean that it's there. So now we create our world. Alright, so what we change? Oh yeah, chicken. So look, here's our chicken with hi with a smiley face, cobblestone. Alright. So this is something too. So a lot of blocks share the same textures. So as you can see, I didn't have to change. So I did. Oh, what's the next thing? What is? All right. You see, I did this block of cobblestone, right? Well, it affects the stairs, the wall, and the infested cobblestone, which is where if you break it, silverfish come out. So that is very interesting. Which you need to make sure is if you don't want like the stairs to look the same, there's a way. Like you have to specifically type out like stairs. Let's just get our cooked chicken here, and then we also changed armor. Now, the diamond helmet is the one we changed. I put in. Oh. All right, Future Master Wave here again. So this is what I was talking about when the diamond helmet wasn't working. I'm not gonna show you the full face mask because it does work, but the Technoblade crown that I made earlier is proof that the armor can be changed. It's just if I would have spelled models right, it would have been fine. What the heck? I probably have to make a new back, but I know that it works because at least previously I made, for the first video, I made a Technoblade pack, which pretty much changes the golden helmet to, yeah, look like a Technoblade crown. I don't know, yeah, see, it's a crown. I don't know why the diamond helmet that I was just trying to do is not working. Or I'll actually pull up the stuff so you can kind of see, but pretty much what I did. So, you take your stuff. This here, I just dragged the image of his thing over the picture. You got your manifest thing. This is just a different version type that I found that I used before, but your textures, models, armor. So as you can see, I just took the crown part. So this is how you make a texture pack in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. The rest of the video was just me trying to figure out why the diamond helmet wasn't working, and then I finally figured it out. But yeah, spelling, make sure everything is spelled correctly. But yes, everything works as it should. So yeah, I hope you learned something, and yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.